So we created those three clubs: Image, Reflection, and the At Promise Club. And we, at different times, and we selected a group of boys. We met with them weekly. And we had some of the best conversations. I wanted to listen to my students. I wanted to hear them. I wanted them to know that there is somebody that actually cares about what you're thinking. And we would mentor them one-on-one. We tutor them. We do homework together. And of course, at the end of the day, we'd always go outside or go into the gym and play basketball, because that's what they love. I laugh because if I go down the list of people who inspired me, I'd be calling names all day. So my stepdad and my uncle were the first father figures I had, and it was a wonder to see them be a dad, something that I craved for. And to have those guys play the role that they played was very important, because it taught me quite a few things I took into the classroom. One of the things I did at Sanderson was I taught African American history, and a lot of times I would take the students from my class and we would put together the program. Our auditorium would be filled. I think it held 800 people. People were lining up on the walls. Because we decided that what we were going to do, even in tough times, we were going to present the tough conversations in a way that people could accept. The goal was not to create any division. History has created enough division. Our goal was to bring everybody together. So we'd have speeches, we'd have poems, our national award-winning step team would perform all the time. We had a jazz band that would come in. When we walked out of that hour program, you could feel a sense of unity, acknowledgement, awareness, and celebration. It can be presented in a way that's acceptable, in a way that, again, brings unity. So I would say, acknowledge this moment, celebrate it.